If sec theta plus tan theta is equal to P, then prove that P square minus 1 upon P square plus 1 is equal to sine theta. Now we take this first. Okay, what is? See here. Answer: P square minus 1 upon P square plus 1. Prove that P square minus 1 upon P square plus 1 is equal to sine theta. Now we have given value of P. P is equal to sec theta plus tan theta. We substitute value of P here at numerator and denominator. See this carefully. Then prove that P square minus 1 upon P square plus 1 is equal to, we want sine theta. We have given value of P. What is P is equal to this sec theta plus tan theta is equal to, we substitute value of P. What is sec theta plus tan theta bracket square minus 1, this original, upon same value of P sec theta plus tan theta bracket square plus 1. Did you get it? Now we see this expansion of this bracket, a plus b bracket square. You know this formula, a plus b bracket square. I will write here, see this, a plus b bracket square. Instead of this a plus b, here sec theta plus tan theta. Now a square, a plus b bracket square means a square. Then now we write here sec square theta. Did you get it? A square. Instead of a, we write here sec square theta. Then 2a plus b, a into b plus 2a into b. We write here 2 sec theta into tan theta. Did you get it? Plus b square. B, what is here? B tan. So we write here tan square theta. And original minus 1. Did you get it? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Instead of that, we have written here sec square theta plus 2 sec theta tan theta plus tan square theta, and original minus 1. Same sec theta plus tan theta bracket square, same to same, only we write here plus 1. See here, sec square theta plus 2 sec theta into tan theta plus tan square theta plus 1, original plus 1. Now we write here p square minus 1 upon p square plus 1 is equal to, see this carefully. Now here sec square theta minus 1, sec square theta minus 1 means there is formula. What is formula? Sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. That 1 we take to the left side, then becomes minus. Therefore sec square theta minus 1 means tan square theta. Okay, therefore we write here tan square theta. Sec square theta minus 1 means tan square theta. Then what is left? See this, plus 2 sec theta into tan theta plus what is left? Tan square theta. What is our formula? Series. Sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. No, we take 1 here. Then what is our new formula? We take plus 1 to the left, become minus. This becomes minus. Therefore, we get this way. This is our formula. See this. We take this one to the left, then becomes minus. So sec square theta minus 1 means tan square theta. Okay. Now here, see this. Here sec square theta as it is plus 2 sec theta into tan theta plus tan square theta plus 1 or 1 plus tan square theta. 1 plus tan square theta means what is? What is? Sec square theta. Did you get it? Very simple idea. Now here, see this. P square minus 1 upon P square plus 1 is equal to tan square theta plus tan square theta means 2 times tan square theta plus 2 sec theta into tan theta. Tan square theta plus tan square theta 2 times plus remaining. Here sec square theta plus sec square theta 2 times sec square theta and remaining 2 sec theta into tan theta. Did you get it? Now we write here, see this, 2 times tan square theta and here 2 tan theta common means 2 tan theta common. 2 tan theta common, then what is left? Tan theta plus 2 tan theta common, then what is left? Sec theta. Okay, then here 2 sec square theta and here 2 sec theta we take common. 2 sec theta common. Therefore, remaining tan theta plus sec theta. See here, 2 sec theta common. Then what is left? Sec theta plus tan theta or tan theta plus sec theta. This is cancelled. This bracket cancelled. Okay. Then what is left? See carefully. P square minus 1 upon P square plus 1 is equal to tan theta. Formula for tan theta, sine theta upon cos theta divided by sec theta. Formula for sec theta, 1 upon cos theta. Therefore, P square minus 1 upon P square plus 1 is equal to sine theta upon cos theta. Multiplicative inverse. Here division. Then we take multiplicative inverse. Inverse of this. Cos theta upon 1. Cos theta cancelled. Therefore, P square minus 1 upon P square plus 1 is equal to what is left? Sine theta. This is your to prove. P square minus 1 upon P square plus 1 is equal to sine theta. Did you get it? Important question. If sec theta plus tan theta is equal to p, then prove that p square minus 1 upon p square plus 1 is equal to sine theta. Now for that we write this. What is sec theta plus tan theta is equal to p. Okay. Now we use formula for this, or direct squaring both sides. First we write here squaring both sides. Squaring both sides, therefore sec theta plus tan theta bracket square. We want p square. So p square. Did you get it? Then we use formula for sec theta 1 upon cos theta plus formula for tan sin theta upon cos theta bracket square is equal to p square upon 1 denominator, because here fraction, so here also fraction. We have studied when denominators are same, then we write only that denominator single. Addition or subtraction of numerators. Here addition bracket square is equal to p square upon 1. Did you get it? Now we give separate square to numerator and denominator. 1 plus sin theta bracket square upon cos square theta is equal to p square upon 1. Now we use formula for cos square theta. 1 plus bracket square, 1 plus sin theta bracket square, and here see this 1 plus sin theta bracket square upon 1 square 1 minus sin square theta means a square minus b square. A square minus b square means a plus b, means 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta is equal to p square upon 1. See this here 1 plus sin theta bracket square. Now here a square minus b square means a plus b into a minus b. Here 1 plus sin theta bracket square and this cancelled. Okay. Now see this carefully. Very, very important. Now important step. Now here we want, see this p square minus 1. P square minus 1. See this. I will write here, but that will take more space. No. See here. P square minus 1. We subtract this denominator from numerator. This denominator 1 subtract means minus. So we subtract this denominator from numerator, means here 1 plus sin theta, and we subtract this, means minus bracket 1 minus sin theta. Did you get it? And we add this denominator in numerators here, addition. No? So we write here 1 plus sin theta plus, we add this as it is, 1 minus sin theta is equal to, we see this, we want this, means p square minus 1 We subtract this denominator from numerator and here we add p square plus 1. Did you get it? Same to same. Same way here. Here subtraction, so here subtraction. Here addition, so here addition. Now see this. Sin theta plus minus cancel. Here, therefore 1 plus sin theta, internal sign changes. Here plus becomes minus and minus becomes plus upon 1 plus 1, 2. Here plus 1 minus 1 cancel is equal to p square minus 1 upon p square plus 1. Okay, now here see this sin theta plus sin theta. What is sin theta plus sin theta? 2 into sin theta 2 times upon 2 is equal to p square minus 1 upon p square plus 1. 2 cancelled. Then what is our to prove? What is our to prove? P square minus 1 upon p square plus 1 is equal to sin theta.